Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my BB Education channel. So today we are going to discuss BBA second year fourth semester important questions of business law and ethics as per Usmania University syllabus. Which questions is going to come in your exam? We are going to discuss it in details. Okay, by learning my important questions, inshallah you will get 100% passed marks and 90% score. Inshallah ta'ala. If you have any queries means you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Let's start our topic. Here we have 5 units. Number 1 unit is law of contract. Number 2 unit is law of relating to special contract. Then company's account. Then fourth one is consumer protection law. Then fifth one is business ethics, right? So let's discuss each and every unit in detail. In this first unit law of contracts you have the very most important is contract and agreement. ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट यूनिट में आपको और लॉ की लैंग्वेज में ये सब्जेक्ट इस तरह का है, आपको इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ मीनिंगफुल कंटेंट के साथ ही आंसर्स लिखना है, राइट? सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड एग्रीमेंट. सो classification of contract, essential elements of valid contract, offer, acceptance, consideration. Till here you have to learn each and everything. Okay, each and everything till here you have to learn. Then go to breach of contract, the very most important. ओके, ब्रीच ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. ब्रीच ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बहुत बार लॉन्ग के लिए भी आपको एग्जाम में आ चुका है. सो होपिंग टू दिस. ओके, लर्न दिस. यू विल गेट इंशाल्लाह any 2 questions. Then go to second unit law relating to special contract. Here you have salient features of contract of agency. Learn this for short one. Then go to here indemnity and guarantee sale of goods act. Difference between sale and agreement to sell, conditions and warranties, very most important. Till here you have to learn. Okay, then go to third unit, that is company's account. Company's account, it's quite easy if you will understood means. Here you will have a memorandum and articles of association, prospectus, very most important. Then very most is formation of company. For पहले formation of company पढ़िए, तब आप आइए मेमोरेंडम एंड आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन पे. देन प्रॉस्पेक्टस. ओके, देन बोर्ड, MD एंड चेयरमैन, देयर पावर्स. ओके, then go to this one, qualification, appointments of management. Okay, qualification and the appointment of management, right? Then go to fourth unit. Fourth unit you have consumer protection law. In this you have to learn consumer councils, redressal machinery. Okay, redressal machinery. Then go to environmental pollution control. Then go to this one, consumer awareness pollution control law. Okay, so 4 unit we cover. Then move on to 5th unit, business ethics. Here in this business ethics, need and justification. सबसे पहले ये क्वेश्चन पढ़िए, फिर आप आइए यहाँ पे इंडिया वैल्यू सिस्टम एंड इट्स रिलीवेंस इन मैनेजमेंट, राइट? Then fair market wages. Then fair and just cooperation among owners. Okay, social responsibility of business, very most important. जितने भी मैं बोली हूँ उतने ही पढ़िए 5th यूनिट में. अभी पूरे 5 यूनिट्स के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अच्छे से हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. प्लीज़ ट्राई टू लर्न एवरीथिंग. यू विल गेट गुड मार्क्स इन योर एग्जाम्स. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज मीन्स यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेशन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. थैंक यू.